So because I have my parents living with me, we've gotten into the habit of having a soup every day. This is a plain white pumpkin soup that I promise you, you're going to completely love. So let's start without further chit chat and talking. A little oil and 4 peppercorns. In goes the onions. We put some salt, add a little coriander to this. And now we're going to add the pumpkin. Give this a nice stir. Now what we're going to do is add in 2 cups of stock or 2.5 cups of stock. 1, 2. So this is it, it's boiling. All I have to do is shut this, 2 whistles, and this is ready. I'm just going to get this nice and hot because what I'm going to do is fry some garlic in this. I just want this to get very well fried. In the meantime, with a hand blender, we're just going to blend this. And here is our soup all blended. And here is our really toasty garlic. Now to taste this fresh white pumpkin soup. A little of the really well burnt garlic on it. And such a healthy, tasty soup ready. So clean and fresh and yum.